Welcome to OnCrawl's Getting Started tutorials. Today we're going to use OnCrawl to take a closer look at monitoring page speed. OnCrawl provides data on page speed and page size. You can find this in the crawl report under Payload. For load time, we calculate the time to last byte, or the time between the request for the web page and the time when the last byte of information is received. If you're monitoring this type of information, you may be interested in the history of stats with this crawl profile. This site successfully reduced both the number of slow pages and the load time. If you've connected additional data sources and enabled the SEO impact report, you can see how load time interacts with visitor and bot behavior on the site. For example, here, load time has a visible effect on how Google treats pages on this site. In fact, based on Search Console data, if a page loads in more than 1 second, it won't even be found in the top half of pages when we rank them by impressions. Finally, if you're tracking changes, you may be interested in the crawl over crawl data to see how page speed has changed between two crawls. Here, slow pages have been improved, but some pages that used to load quickly have undergone changes that slow them down. And in OnCrawl, you can always click on a part of a graph to see the URLs it represents. Don't just measure your page speed, but monitor it with OnCrawl. Questions? Reach out to us from the OnCrawl interface by clicking on the blue intercom button at the bottom of the screen, or tweet to us at OnCrawl_CS. See you next time. Until then, happy crawling!